Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. And I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video guys, I am going to share with you most stunning, most beautiful and my latest Christmas Wreath design. Guys, these are top trending, top unique and very beautiful collections for you guys, and I hope so viewers you enjoyed this video. Guys, these are super amazing, super unique and very pretty handmade collections. You guys must enjoy this video, and you guys share this video with your friends and with your family members. So viewers, these are most amazing pine cone wreath ideas. You guys decorate your walls and doors with these wreath. So guys, I'm glad to see you all. Hope so guys you all are doing well, and you guys share this video with your friends and with your family members. If you want different other pinecone craft or wreath ideas, then you guys must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So viewers, I hope so viewers you enjoyed this video, and these are very pretty, these are very amazing and very stunning wreath design. So I'm glad to see you all. Hope so you all are doing well, and viewers, these are top trending, top unique and very pretty collections for you guys. So guys, keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. And guys, you also got different other craft videos on my channel that was amazing or that was unique for you all guys. So viewers, think positive, always be positive. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Guys, these are super amazing, super unique and most incredible ideas for you guys. Guys, these are super amazing and very latest collections for you guys, so must try these at your homes. These are super amazing and very latest collections for you guys. Follow for more details, keep subscribing my channel, keep following my videos. Hope so guys you all are doing well. These are very amazing, these are very unique, very latest and very beautiful collections for you guys. So you guys must make these wreath, and you guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these wreath. So I also upload different other craft videos on my channel, and I already upload different other craft videos on my channel that was amazing. So go and watch those videos. So viewers, take care of yourself, be happy, take care. Allah Hafiz guys.